we want to find a place to install a rotary encoder. So suppose we have a glue gun here, okay? We have a glue gun here. So we can install our rotary encoder at either this belt or the belt at the other side. So the best way to install the rotary encoder is at the bottom of the belt. You can, I can feel the belt here, okay? It's springy. Try not to press the rotary encoder hard against a hard surface. It is best to have a springy surface, something like this. You can see a springy surface. Now suppose we have a glue gun at two sections, this section and that section. Then we can install the rotary encoder at either one. So for example, we want to install the rotary encoder at here. Then, come here. This is the best place. You can see this springy section. So it's best to put the rotary encoder here. Press the wheel against this belt. This is the ejector section. So if we need to use the ejector, then we need to have two rotary encoder. One is for the gun and the other one is for the ejector. So come over here. This is the best place to put the rotary encoder, at the bottom of the belt. Okay, thank you.